How to Plug a Hole of Holes in Your Fiberglass Boat by Dr. G. For the past 2 years, my lifelong friend Peter and I have been restoring small fiberglass boats. Our favorite resources are YouTube and the Facebook users group. Almost every week, a Facebook member will ask the group, how do you fix a plug, a screw hole, or simple hole in their fiberglass boat? My response is always with dowel pins. They come in a variety of sizes to fit most screw holes or bolt holes. I'm sure you get the idea. While restoring my first boat, my supplier recommended this claw glass filler to fill and reinforce any deep scratches or voids. Automotive Bondo absorbs water and doesn't really reinforce the area. This claw glass filler has glass fibers embedded in it and handles just like Bondo. It comes as a green putty and there's a tube of white catalyst that you apply to the top. You then mix it in until it becomes a nice creamy consistency. This material is amazing. It sets quickly, and I can use it on the dowel pins to fill in deep scratches or voids, and as a bonding material to my Coosa backing plates. Here is a palm-sized amount with a small amount of catalyst that I've used, and it sets in about 10 minutes. In this example, I placed a small amount of material along a strip of Coosa and stuck it to the underside of my decking. I probably could have just bolted down the grab rail, but with the claw glass and the Coosa strip, I can now tie down lines or fenders and attach it right to the grab rail. But you are here to see how to fill a screw hole or bolt hole. Often I will take a drill bit and re-drill the hole to clean it out, or machine it to fit the one dowel pin or pin sizes that I have. Once I've sized up the dowel pin or pins, I will mix up a batch of claw glass filler and cover the end of the dowel pin and then tap it into place. Once set, I can cut the end off flush with the surface, or drill a small amount back and cover it with wax gel coat. Here is my latest project. Peter and I restored this 1969 Sidewinder and recently had a 90 horsepower Suzuki installed. When we picked it up, we noticed that they never filled in the old Mercury mounting holes. Since our plan is to possibly pull the Suzuki off the boat and rig another old Mercury outboard, we decided to use caulking material so we could grab the end and pull it out. Using a dowel pin to fill a screw or bolt hole really is that simple and easy. I hope you have enjoyed watching this brief video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Have a great day today and every day.